The Antarctic fish with natural antifreeze. Some fish species in Antarctica, like the icefish, have a unique adaptation. They produce natural antifreeze proteins in their blood. This allows them to survive in sub-zero temperatures without their blood and bodily fluids freezing. The sleep while flying ability of swallows. Certain species of swallows are known to sleep while flying. They engage in unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, where one hemisphere of their brain sleeps while the other remains alert for navigation and predator detection. The startling defense mechanism of hagfish. Hagfish, deep-sea scavengers, can produce copious amounts of slime as a defense mechanism. The slime clogs the gills of potential predators, making it difficult for them to breathe and discouraging attacks. The velvet worm's sticky silk cannons. Velvet worms, found in tropical regions, have unique silk glands on their heads that can shoot sticky strands to entangle prey. This hunting technique is reminiscent of a tiny silk cannon. The luminous lantern shark species. Lantern sharks, a type of deep-sea shark, are bioluminescent, producing light from special organs called photophores. This adaptation helps them blend in with the faint sunlight filtering down into the deep ocean. The giraffe's unique neck structure. Giraffes have 7 neck vertebrae, the same number as humans. However, each vertebra in a giraffe can be up to 10 inches long, providing the remarkable length needed to support their towering necks. The invisible shrimp. The glass shrimp, also known as the ghost shrimp, is nearly transparent, making it almost invisible in its aquatic habitat. This camouflage helps it avoid predators while foraging for food. The shrimp with a killer sound. The snapping shrimp produces a powerful snapping sound by quickly closing its enlarged claw. The sound can reach up to 200 decibels, stunning or killing small fish and invertebrates in the vicinity. The caterpillar that uses its own head as a shield. The peppered moth caterpillar has a unique defense strategy. When threatened, it raises its head and uses it as a shield, revealing large false eye spots on its thorax, giving the appearance of a snake. The hovering hawk moth. Hawk moths are known for their ability to hover in midair while feeding on nectar from flowers. They achieve this by rapidly beating their wings, similar to how hummingbirds hover. The flying fish's aerial escapes. Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air to escape predators. They have specially adapted pectoral fins that act like wings, allowing them to cover considerable distances above the water's surface. The cooperative hunting of orcas. Killer whales, or orcas, exhibit remarkable cooperative hunting behaviors. They work together in coordinated groups, or pods, to corral and catch prey, displaying advanced communication and strategy. The woolly bear caterpillar's winter predictions. According to folklore, the width of the bands on a woolly bear caterpillar can be used to predict the severity of the coming winter. A wider orange band is believed to indicate a milder winter. The bombardier beetle's chemical warfare. The bombardier beetle has a unique defense mechanism. When threatened, it releases a hot and toxic chemical spray from its abdomen, deterring predators such as ants and spiders. The tentacled snail's unique eyes. The scallop hunting cone snail has eyes located at the tips of long, extendable tentacles. These eyes can move independently and allow the snail to detect approaching predators or prey. The mimic octopus impersonations. The mimic octopus, found in the Indo-Pacific region, is a master of disguise. It can imitate the appearance and behaviors of various marine animals, such as lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, to evade predators. The unique communication of prairie dogs. Prairie dogs have a complex communication system. They can convey specific information about predators, including size, shape, and color, through a series of barks, chirps, and other vocalizations. The gliding ants of Borneo. Myrmoteras, a genus of ants found in Borneo, have evolved to glide back to the trunk of a tree if they fall. They use their legs and specialized hairs on their bodies to control their descent. The orchid that resembles a monkey's face. Dracula simia, also known as the monkey face orchid, has flowers that bear a striking resemblance to a monkey's face. This orchid species is native to Ecuador and Peru. The mimic octopus impersonations. The mimic octopus, found in the Indo-Pacific region, is a master of disguise. It can imitate the appearance and behaviors of various marine animals, such as lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, to evade predators. The unique communication of prairie dogs. Prairie dogs have a complex communication system. They can convey specific information about predators, including size, shape, and color, through a series of barks, chirps, and other vocalizations. The gliding ants of Borneo. Myrmoteras, a genus of ants found in Borneo, have evolved to glide back to the trunk of a tree if they fall. They use their legs and specialized hairs on their bodies to control their descent. The orchid that resembles a monkey's face. Dracula simia, also known as the monkey face orchid, has flowers that bear a striking resemblance to a monkey's face. This orchid species is native to Ecuador and Peru. The jumping spider's courtship dance. Male jumping spiders engage in elaborate courtship dances to attract females. They use intricate leg movements, vibrations, and visual displays to communicate and establish their suitability as mates. The sea slug that photosynthesizes. Elysia chlorotica, a species of sea slug, is capable of photosynthesis. It incorporates chloroplasts from the algae it consumes into its own cells, allowing it to harness sunlight for energy. The echidna's four-headed penis. Male echidnas, also known as spiny anteaters, have a four-headed penis. During mating, only two of the heads are used, and the specific pair is alternated between mating sessions. The hummingbird hawk moth's hovering feats. The hummingbird hawk moth possesses the ability to hover in midair while feeding on nectar, much like hummingbirds. Its rapid wing beats create a humming sound, contributing to its name. The fish with built-in headlights. Lanternfish, deep-sea dwellers, have bioluminescent organs along their bodies that function like built-in headlights. This adaptation helps them navigate the dark depths and communicate with other lanternfish. The Bombus ternarius's heat-generating flight. The Bombus ternarius, or the orange-belted bumblebee, can raise its flight muscles to generate heat, allowing it to fly in cooler temperatures when other bees are inactive. The elephant shrew's speedy moves. Despite its name, the elephant shrew is not a shrew but belongs to its own order. Known for its rapid and agile movements, it has a long, flexible snout resembling an elephant's trunk. The transparent sea cucumber's camouflage. The Enipneostes, or headless chicken monster, is a transparent sea cucumber that lives in the deep sea. Its gelatinous appearance allows it to blend into its surroundings, avoiding predators. The surprising intelligence of pigeons. Pigeons are surprisingly intelligent birds. They have been trained to recognize and distinguish between different works of art, demonstrating an ability to grasp abstract concepts. The colorful iridescent nudibranchs. Nudibranchs, or sea slugs, come in a variety of stunning colors and intricate patterns. Some species, like the Glaucus atlanticus, display iridescent hues and intricate markings. The olm's ability to go without food. The olm, a blind salamander found in caves of southeastern Europe, can survive without food for up to 10 years. This remarkable adaptation allows it to endure long periods of scarcity.